We could, okay, we could go. You want to go a little closer to this thing over there? You want to get up there?
No.
There's a ramp in the back over there, so we could use the ramp. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I got a little bit of time. I got about 3 hours. My therapist is coming, so.
You lived here your whole life?
Yeah, but no, not whole life, but about 47 years. Yep.
You don't look a day over 30.
Son of a gun. Thanks for the compliment. Well, you want another hot dog? That's why you're giving me compliments? Nah, I'm picking on you now. Oh boy.
So do you plan like a New York Mets Red Sox game or something?
Yeah, the guy I was telling you about, Josie from Texas,
Yeah.
he got booted from the apartment the day when we got so heavy shit storm, man.
Oh, really?
And he ended up on the freaking street in the park. I feel so sorry for the guy. 3 days. Man, it was pouring like hell, though. Yeah. But he made it. He made it.
Didn't it just rain here yesterday?
Oh, yeah, yesterday my roof got messed up on my house. Not so bad, but... Oh, somebody's getting married over here, huh? Okay. Or you could go straight down and I meet you down there, okay? Okay. All right, Tyler. We can go through here. You know, there was a guy who wait for the light on Michigan Avenue, someplace over there. Black guy with young girl, white girl, stone out of her mind, and he claims that he's helping her. Okay,
Right.
I'm not too old for that shit, but anyway, I want to see if he's still there, if the girl get any help or what. We'll see.